TikTok states you need at least 1,000 followers to go live. However, it is possible to go live on TikTok with just a handful of followers. If you've seen my previous video on the topic, then you'll find that this one is similar. However, it's been updated with the latest information in line with changes TikTok have made to the application process. Check out the description below for updates and links, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions after watching. The steps outlined here will give you the best chance of going live. To begin, you'll need a TikTok account which meets the following criteria. It must be over 30 days old. You can have no strikes against it. You must be over 18. You must be in a country where TikTok Live is permitted. A further change you can make to your account to give you a higher chance of success is by setting your TikTok to be a business gaming account. In the mobile app, go to Settings and enable Business Account here. Then set the category to Gaming. This will give you a 30-day trial and should be enough to boost your chances of getting live access. The next thing you'll need to do is sign up for a free Restream account. Restream.io is an app that allows you to multi-stream. We're not going to use any of those features, however. All we need to do is use it to generate an application link for TikTok. Remember, you don't need to pay for Restream to do this. Once you've logged into Restream, add a channel to your dashboard and select TikTok. It'll ask you to connect your TikTok account. If you don't have live access, you'll see this message. Streaming not allowed. Apply. Click Apply. This link is generated specifically for your account and will take you to the TikTok Live Access application page. You can take a moment to read through the terms and conditions, ensuring that your account meets all the criteria, and then hit Apply. On the next screen, you'll need to provide some information. Firstly, you will need a link to your main streaming channel. Whether you stream or not, you can enter your YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Meta, Instagram, or whatever profile link here. Where it states average concurrent viewers of your channel, just select 10+. Right now, we just need to get through the application process, so none of this information really matters. Finally, you'll need to provide screenshots to prove that you are the account holder of the link you provided. So either share the creator dashboard on Twitch or your YouTube Studio landing page screenshots. Again, you don't have to be a streamer to access these pages, you just need an account. After that, click Submit. It can take a few days for the application to be processed. In case it fails, you can always try again using a different channel link here. Sometimes Twitch works, sometimes YouTube works, sometimes it's Meta or Instagram. If your application is successful, you'll be granted limited live access to go live from a desktop computer. Provided you get no strikes on your account, that access will be extended. Usually once the application is successful, within a week you'll gain mobile live access too. I hope this helps. Please remember to check the description of this video for an up-to-date FAQ, and you can always leave a comment if something isn't working. Thanks for watching.